Hello students, welcome back. We are again back with chapter number 1 of Business Studies class 11. We have studied about objectives of business, meaning of business, objective में हमने पढ़े financial objectives, economic objectives, social objective, human objectives. Then we studied the role of profit in a business. And today we are going to start with classification of business activities. कि business को हम किस किस part में divide कर सकते हैं. So basically there are two types on the basis of क्या कहते हैं their function, industry and commerce. The whole business can be divided into two categories, industry and commerce. Basically ऐसे समझ लीजिए, industry is that segment which makes goods and services and commerce is that segment which provides those produced goods and services to the ultimate consumer. So हम आज की क्लास में पढ़ेंगे इंडस्ट्री के बारे में डिटेल में एंड इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर वी विल स्टडी अबाउट कॉमर्स कि क्या क्या होता है कॉमर्स के अंदर. सो सबसे पहले आता है व्हाट इज मेंट बाय इंडस्ट्री. तो इंडस्ट्री refers to an activity which convert raw material into finished products. Industry includes activities related to production and processing as well as activities related to rearing and reproduction of animals and other living species. The purpose of industry is to create farm utility by converting raw material into useful form of finished product. तो बेसिकली इंडस्ट्री इज लाइक जो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना फैक्ट्री जिसको हम बोलते हैं. तो इंडस्ट्री इज दैट प्लेस जहाँ पे रॉ मटेरियल्स लिए जाते हैं और उनको हम लोग फिनिश गुड्स में यानी यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स में चेंज करते हैं. उनके अंदर हम यूटिलिटी लेके आते हैं, उनके अंदर हम यूजफुलनेस क्रिएट करते हैं कि उनको हम और बेटर वे में किस तरीके से यूज़ कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. इंडस्ट्री को एक और जगह भी यूज़ करते हैं एक टर्म की तरह, ग्रुप ऑफ फर्म्स के लिए. Like the term industry is also used for a group of firms producing similar or related goods. जैसे टेक्सटाइल इंडस्ट्री बोलेंगे तो जितने भी क्लॉथ मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के काम कर रहे हैं वो सारी यूनिट्स की बात हो रही है. सीमेंट इंडस्ट्री बोलते हैं तो जितनी कंपनी सीमेंट बनाती है सबकी बात हो रही है. तो इंडस्ट्री दोनों तरीके से वर्ड यूज़ किया जाता है. जहाँ प्रोडक्शन होता है उसको भी इंडस्ट्री बोलते हैं एंड जो ग्रुप ऑफ फर्म्स होता है उसको भी हम इंडस्ट्री बोलते हैं. ना इंडस्ट्री जो है वो कंज्यूमर गुड्स भी बना सकती है और कैपिटल गुड्स भी. कंज्यूमर गुड्स होते हैं वो गुड्स those which are directly consumed by the consumer for his satisfaction, whereas capital goods are those goods which are used by the producer to produce further more consumer goods. So industries को अगर हम classify करें तो there are three categories of industries. First is primary, then secondary and tertiary. You have studied about this in class 10th as well, but that was just a basic differentiation that primary industries are those which are indulged with raw materials or agriculture, secondaries with manufacturing, tertiary with service. Now in this which we will discuss some detailed discussion or detailed classification. So the primary industry, as we all know, includes all those activities which are connected with extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species. So basically there are two kind of primary industry. One is extractive and second one is genetic. Extractive means जहाँ पे हम कुछ extract कर रहे हैं. When we are extracting something from natural resource, like we are extracting coal from earth, we are extracting gold or diamonds from earth, we are extracting petroleum for oil from oil wells, we are extracting fishes from rivers and oceans. So all these industries are called extractive industry. The products of extractive industries can be directly used or become raw material for other industries. एक्सट्रैक्टिव में तो हम एक्सट्रैक्ट करते हैं. जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री में होता है रिप्रोडक्शन एंड रेयरिंग ऑफ एनिमल्स, रेयरिंग एंड ब्रीडिंग. लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हो सकते हैं किसी भी टाइप के. इट कैन बी प्लांट, इट कैन बी एनिमल्स, इट कैन बी बर्ड. सो इनका जब हम प्रोडक्शन करवा रहे होते हैं, रिप्रोडक्शन ब्रीडिंग करवा रहे होते हैं, दोज इंडस्ट्रीज आर कॉल्ड जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री. एग्रीकल्चर इज व्हाट? रिप्रोडक्शन ऑफ प्लांट्स. एक प्लांट के सीड्स आए, उससे और प्लांट्स बने, उससे और प्लांट्स बने. सो दिस इज जेनेटिक इंडस्ट्री. सो rearing of cattle for milk, dairy farm, poultry farm, rearing of plants in nursery, growing fishes in ponds, everything is considered under the term genetic industry. So this is primary industry which is concerned with extraction of natural resources and reproduction of living species. Living species includes all flora and fauna both. Then secondary industry, basically जिसको हम बोलते हैं ना जहाँ पे हम कि रॉ मटेरियल फिनिश गुड्स में कन्वर्ट होता है, फैक्ट्री जिसको हम बोलते हैं, दैट इज सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री. The secondary industry make use of products which are extracted and produced from primary industry as the raw material and produce finished goods. ठीक है. माइनिंग आयरन ओर इज डन इन प्राइमरी इंडस्ट्री. आयरन ओर निकला जो ज़मीन से, दैट इज़ प्राइमरी. एक्सट्रैक्शन हुआ, दैट इज़ प्राइमरी. बट देन द कन्वर्जन ऑफ दैट ओर इनटू एक्चुअल आयरन मेटल,
that is the function of secondary sector, that is the function of secondary industry. ठीक है. Now again, secondary industry is further divided into two parts: manufacturing and construction. Manufacturing industries are those industries which manufactures, which convert the raw material into finished goods or semi-finished goods into finished goods. It creates farm utility. ठीक है. In examples में they have mentioned like timber is converted to furniture, iron into steel, sugarcane into sugar, cotton into cloth, everything. So those industries which manufacture goods are called manufacturing industry. It can be a consumer good industry or a industrial good industry. Consumer goods are directly consumed by consumer, whereas the industrial goods are used by manufacturers to produce more goods. It can also be classified as analytical, synthetic, processing और assembly industry. जब हम मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंडस्ट्री की बात करते हैं तो देयर आर सम एनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्री. एनालिटिकल इंडस्ट्री इज दैट इंडस्ट्री इन विच a single material is broken into different materials, different finished products. Like petroleum, the crude oil, the same crude oil is used to produce diesel, the same crude oil is used to produce petrol, it is used for kerosene, it is used for gasoline, everything. Everything is prepared from a single raw material. So this is analytical industry which analyze things. Synthetic industries, on the other hand, are those industries which produce artificial products, in which two or more material are mixed to produce some new product. Like chemicals को mix करके soap बनता है, paint बनता है, that all comes under synthetic industry. Then there is processing industry, where a raw material is gone through a list of process, a list of steps, a rigorous procedure to produce some new product. Like for if you are preparing steel, so you have to get the iron ore, you have to take iron, you have to take other materials, you have to heat them, mix them in a separate proportion, and then you get the steel. Similarly with sugar, you will have the sugar cane, then you will crush it, you will process it, and after that you will get that proper refined sugar which we use. So because it involves a sequence of steps or a specific process, these industries are called processing industries. And the last is assembly industry. Assembly industries are those where the products are assembled or joined or combined together. ठीक है, फॉर टू प्रोड्यूस अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट. लाइक अगर कार्स बनती है तो कार्स के लिए कुछ ये थोड़ी होता है कि कार पूरी एक जगह बनी, कहीं से टायर बना, कहीं से इंजन बना, कहीं सीट्स बनी, एंड एवरीथिंग गॉट एट अ प्लेस एंड लोगों ने असेंबल कर दिया. सो दैट असेंबली इंडस्ट्री इज दैट पार्ट वेयर द मशीन्स or where the parts of a product are combined to form a new product. Now the secondary industries also have another category of construction industries. Construction industries, as the name suggests, are those industries which are dealing in construction. It can be a construction of a building, construction of dam, construction of roads, any kind of construction industry which uses cement, iron, steel, lime, etc. Okay, that comes under construction industry. There is a unique feature of these industries that their product cannot be transferred or shifted to market. जहाँ प्रोडक्शन कर दी वहीं सामान वो रहेगा, वहीं उसका कंस्ट्रक्शन टिका रहेगा. So this was secondary industry. The last is tertiary industry. Tertiary industry or the support service industry, which provides support services, which provides क्या कहते हैं help activities, which provides services which helps the primary and secondary industries to grow in a better way. It includes transportation. ट्रांसपोर्टेशन कैसे हेल्प करता है? मूवमेंट ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. बैंकिंग हमें सर्विस प्रोवाइड कराती है एक्सचेंज की. इंश्योरेंस हमें रिस्क से सेव करता है. वेयर हाउसिंग सामान स्टोरेज के लिए. और एडवर्टीजमेंट इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड कराएंगे कस्टमर्स को. सो द वर्क ऑफ सर्विस इंडस्ट्री और टर्शरी इंडस्ट्री इज प्रोवाइड सर्विसेज जो सपोर्ट करती हैं प्राइमरी और सेकेंडरी सेक्टर की वर्किंग को. सो दिस वॉज द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्री सेगमेंट ऑफ बिजनेस. Industry segment is that segment which produces goods and services which are used by the consumer and producers to satisfy their needs. The next segment will be commerce segment, which will deal with the distribution of these goods and services to the ultimate consumer, which we will discuss in the next video. Till then, take care, stay home and stay safe.